Okay, 6-3 check for understanding problems. So the first one, we had to find the values of a and c, and we said that 3c minus 3 equals c plus 1 because those two sides should be equal. If we add 3 over to the other side, 3c equals c plus 4, and if we subtract the c over to the 3, we have 2c equals 4, and we have to divide by 2, and c equals 2. So there's c. Then in a quadrilateral, two consecutive angles, so one angle after another, has to be supplementary. So if we add a plus 40, and then we add a to that, that has to equal 180. A plus a is 2a. So we have 2a plus 40 equals 180. If we subtract 40, 2a equals 140. And then we divide by 2, and a equals 70. So there is a and c. And number 2, all we know is that the two sides are congruent, two opposite sides are congruent, and they are also parallel because they have those arrows. So congruent and parallel, I'm going to go back up to the theorem so we can look through these. If one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is both congruent and parallel, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So that was theorem 6-6. So I'm going to say yes, parallelogram. By theorem 6-6. Okay, then here, if we look at this, this is saying that this half of the diagonal is not equal to this half of the diagonal because this has 2 marks and this has 1 mark. But it is saying that this is congruent to this, and then this one is congruent to this one. So these diagonals are not bisecting each other, they're just creating congruent segments. So no, the diagonals do not bisect each other. And there we are. All right, you should be set to go ahead and get started on the homework, and make sure if you have any questions you're asking.